Akinci drone detected a heat source which is believed to have come from the wreckage of Mi-171 helicopter carrying Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi, as Anadolu agency report today on May 20th. The long-endurance, high-altitude Bayraktar Akinci UAV of Turkish Air Force, equipped with SAR radar and modern optronic system with night vision capabilities, was involved in search and rescue operations in northwest Iran, broadcasting its video feed live. Akinci patrolled the incident site. In rapidly deteriorating weather conditions, snow and rain began to fall, and strong winds set in. The air temperature was around 6 degrees. The abundance of trees in a raspberry forest in Qaradağ Wildlife Zone, northwest Iran, drone operators had difficulty locating the crash zone. But Akinci managed to detect a heat source thought to have come from the wreckage of the helicopter, 3 kilometers northeast of the city of Tavil, in Tabriz region, according to Anadolu. New and clearer images by the drone, seen orbiting at an altitude of 31,000 feet, potentially show major developments during the search operation. The coordinates have been communicated to Iranian authorities, and this vital information can be of great help in the ongoing focused search and rescue operations. Iranian rescue teams will reach the exact location of the hotspots identified by Turkish Akinci reconnaissance drone within half an hour, Iranian agencies reported. Yesterday, it was reported that Iranian president and his other associates went missing after a helicopter crash following the inauguration of a dam on the border of Iran and Azerbaijan. The list of passengers traveling in the helicopter that crashed included the President Ebrahim Raisi, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Hossein Amir Abdullahian, Ayatollah al-Hashemi, the Imam of the Tabriz Mosque, and the Governor of Azerbaijan, Malik Ramadi.
یه نفر پیشش می‌نویسه میگه نمیدونم از دنیا سیاست